Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you all are fine. Today I am going to show you how to use Slack strike through. So when you communicating over Slack, you have the ability to edit your message to make sure what you are sending is correct. But what if you want the recipients to see the edits you have made? Using strike through is a common way to denote this, and Slack support that too. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show how we can use Strikethrough very easily in our text message. The most straightforward way to apply Strikethrough style is using the toolbar. In the message area, highlight the text you want to strike through. Then click the Strikethrough button, which sits between the italics and code buttons. So let's see how we can use Strikethrough button in the Slack. Hey guys, this is my basic Slack web pages, and here is I am in my channel. Please help. So now today I am going to see you how to use Strikethrough in a message. That means if you edit a message and you want to see the recipient what you have edited. So in this case, if you just write down hi, good morning. So here you have just write the hi, good morning. So here this is the spelling mistakes, that is D. So actually you want to cross it and you just write down the GWDMORNING, good morning. So in this case this is also the misspelling, because the good and morning should be the separated by a space. So here is the good morning is correct. By if you just edited this or just deleted this, then the sender will show that your message is edited, but they don't know what type of edit have you done. So in this case there may be quite some confusion. So if you want to show the edited option to your recipient, then you just select this option, select this text or select this word, and below this text you will find there is a option that is strike through. Just click the strike through option and it will be crossed. Here this good morning, the mistake spelling was crossed, and if you want to also want to strike through this word, that is good morning with a single word, then you just select this word and click on this strike through button, then it will be also crossed and it is the OK button. Okay, fine. You can do this very easily by the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl Shift and X. By doing this you can also do this strike through option. So hopefully this post is helpful to you, and if you want to show your edit option to your recipient, then just select this word and go to the strike through option. So that's all for today. Please keep in touch with TOS IT Corner. I will available for you for latest tips and tricks in future. Thank you all of you.